You're scrambling to get ready for your big game night, and as you're grabbing your popcorn, you realize it's time to choose the perfect TV. You want something that'll make every touchdown, goal, and slam dunk look stunning, but so many options are blurring together. That's when you remember the Samsung 75-inch Class M70H. Brighter highlights and deeper blacks bring every detail to life with stunning clarity, making it feel like you're right in the stadium. That Mini LED processor 4K delivers a picture that's just as vibrant on game days as it is for your favorite rom-com. Imagine watching your favorite sports team or a blockbuster movie on this incredible screen. Pure colors and lifelike details come together to create an unforgettable experience. The pure color spectrum powers this, delivering 1 billion true-to-life colors that make every scene leap off the screen with breathtaking realism. But it's not just about looks, this TV also enhances brightness and contrast for a truly superb picture. Supreme Mini LED dimming delivers deep contrast and bright highlights, so you can see every detail clearly, whether it's your kid's favorite cartoon or a nail-biting sports match. And if you're into gaming, the Xcelerator Plus 120Hz refresh rate ensures smooth visuals and fast motion clarity. You want to know what really sets this TV apart? It's not just about the features, it's about the value it brings. With endless free content on Samsung TV Plus, including over 2,700 streaming options, you'll never run out of something new to watch. From news and sports to movies and kids shows, there's something for everyone. For gamers, the soccer mode gives you a stadium-like experience right in your living room, with faster motion and clearer greens that put you right in the action. And if you're looking to upgrade from an older TV, this one's not just better, it's a game changer. Compared to last year's models, like the Samsung 2025 Q7F or U8000F, this new M70H brings everything up to date. With 𝐂𝐞𝐤 security keeping your personal data safe and secure, you can trust that this TV is both powerful and trustworthy. And with thousands of free streaming options at your fingertips, no subscription needed, you'll be making the most of every moment on your big screen. That's what owning a Samsung 75-inch Class M70H does for you. It changes how you experience life, from cozy movie nights to high-energy game days.